video came as a request from a theater teacher in Austin, Texas. A few weeks ago, I had made a warm-up video for beginning tappers, and now I've been requested to make a warm-up video for more intermediate advanced tappers. So let's get to it. Today we're going to start out with 3 variations of a condos exercise. If you've taken tap class before, I'm sure one of your teachers has warmed you up with a condos or condo-style exercise. We're going to start on our right foot and do the basic condos exercise, which includes touch, step, heel drop, toe drop, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Again, that is touch, step, heel drop, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Now we're going to alternate feet. So we're going to start on the left foot, move to the right foot, and do the same exact thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is variation 1. When we do this to music in a few minutes, we're going to do 4 of those slow, right, left, and 8 fast, alternating. Now, the second variation just adds a shuffle. So we're going to start out with a shuffle on the right foot. Shuffle, touch, step, heel drop, toe drop, heel drop. So that time after the initial 2 steps, you're only going to do 1 and 1. And again, with this variation, we are going to do it on both sides, like this. So just like the first variation, once the music starts going, we're going to do 4 slow and 8 quickly. Now on to the third variation of the condos exercise, we're going to add in an additional shuffle. It looks like this. Shuffle, shuffle, toe, heel, toe, heel. So that time we're just going to do 1 of each after 2 shuffles. And again, we're going to do it on both feet, 4 times slow, 8 times fast. So let's try all of that with music.
I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life.
The next warm-up exercise we're going to do is a drawback exercise. So we all know what drawbacks are. This exercise is going to incorporate a scuffle or paddle. It's going to incorporate a shuffle And it's going to incorporate a toe dig. So we're gonna start out at the front of our board, and we're gonna try not to move very much because I don't know about you, but I don't have much room. If you're out on a deck or you have a huge room that you tap in, that's awesome. You can move this as much as you want. If you're on a little tap board like me, just keep it small. The counts for this exercise are 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. You're gonna start on the right foot. You're gonna do 2 drawbacks. Then you're gonna add in a shuffle or a paddle, whatever you like to call it. And then you're gonna finish out that step. Then you're gonna do the same exact thing on the right. Take a look. I'll do it very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7 and 8 and a. Okay, we're gonna keep going. So now we are going to add in shuffles rather than the scuffles. Take a look. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7 and 8 and a. So on this last step where we're gonna add the toe dig, the rhythm is just a little bit different. Rather than 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, it goes like this. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7 and 8 and a. All right, let's give it a try all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7 and 8 and a. All right, this time I'm going to do it to the back and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you get more comfortable with this step, you can speed it up a little. Just make sure that you're not missing out on any of the counts. I'm gonna add in a little variation to this second warm-up. Once you feel like you have it mastered and you feel like it's really warming up your feet, try it like this. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7, 8 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 5 and a, 6 and a, 7, 8. So basically you're just adding in all of the elements together and going through both feet. I would love to see you doing that, so make sure to take a video of yourself and tag me on Instagram. And finally, we're on to our third and final warm-up. This is a paradiddle exercise, and it goes a little bit like this. I'm gonna do this one to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Double paradiddle, heel, double paradiddle, heel. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. And on the left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Double paradiddle, heel, double paradiddle, heel. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double paradiddle, stamp. Okay guys, so we finished all 3 warm-up exercises for intermediate and advanced students. You can practice the condo-style exercises with me to the music that I chose, or choose your own music. And the drawback and paradiddle exercises, you want to make sure that you do as many as you can until you feel warm, your legs feel ready to go, your ankles are all loose and ready to go, and make sure you're hearing all of the sounds. You can speed those up on your own when you're ready. That's it for today, guys. Please make sure to send in your recommendations. I do take recommendations. See, I did it. Send in more. So if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up if you had a good time. And make sure to film yourself and tag me on Instagram so that I can take a look at your progress. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye. 4 times fast, 8 times, sorry. It's going to incorporate, it's going to,